Hi students, welcome to all of you to this concepts and snippets session. Today we are going to discuss S block elements. As you know, in the modern periodic table, elements are classified into 4 blocks based on their electronic configuration. So what are S block elements? Elements in which the last electron enters into the S subshell of the outermost shell are called S block elements. So, strictly speaking, hydrogen, helium, group 1 elements, that is alkali metals, and group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals, belong to S block. However, hydrogen and helium are always discussed separately. It is because of their peculiar behavior. Helium is a noble gas, an inert gas. Hydrogen, it is an element that resembles like alkali metals as well as halogens. So the study of hydrogen and helium are always separately done. So under S block elements, we are going to discuss group 1 alkali metals and group 2 alkaline earth metals. Okay. So alkali metals. Let us start our discussion of alkali metals. These are elements of group 1 with 1 electron in the outermost shell. The electronic configuration of all alkali metal is NS1, where N is the outermost shell. Okay. So elements in which the last electron enters into the S subshell of the outermost shell are called S block elements. Okay. The electronic configuration is NS1 to 2. Why? Because S subshell can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. So there are 2 groups of S block elements, group 1 and group 2. Now we are discussing group 1. Okay. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Why? Because these elements form oxides and hydroxides which are strongly bases. Elements of group 1 are called alkali metals because their oxides and hydroxides, okay, are strongly alkaline, strongly alkaline. Okay. Thus you have lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and radioactive francium. Francium is radioactive. Thus you see lithium with atomic number 3, the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Sodium with the atomic number 11, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Potassium with atomic number 19, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Thus you see all the elements of group 1 have 1 electron in the outermost shell. The same trend repeats in the case of other elements also. Rubidium with atomic number 37, okay. Cesium with atomic number 55 and francium with atomic number you add 32. So it is 87. So all are with 1 electron in the outermost shell. So they have similar outer electron configuration. It is similar, not same. You see the outermost shell number changes. because the period number changes. So, lithium belongs to the second period, outermost shell number is 2. Sodium belongs to the third period, and so on. These elements are most electropositive elements. Elements of group 1 are most electropositive elements. Electropositive elements. They readily lose one electron. They readily lose one electron and form unipositive ions. Okay. So, they are strong reducing agents. Therefore, they are strong reducing agents. Okay. Clear? So, they form a variety of compounds. They react with every metals, every non-metals. They react with every non-metals because these are metals. So, they react with the non-metals to form compounds, variety of compounds. Okay. So, now let us discuss a simple question. Which is the compound known as silvite? The compound silvite is potassium chloride. People having blood pressure, doctors will advise them not to take sodium chloride. Instead, they are advised to take potassium chloride. So, potassium chloride is medicinal important compound. It is called silvite. Silvite is potassium chloride. Hope you enjoyed this session. Okay. Thank you.